Hello students, for the standard 7th we have seen last time lesson number 5th, that is quality. So after this that lesson we are going to see the poem trees. The name of the poem is what? Your trees. So trees are just ordinary things, students, which you can look your surroundings, even in school, at home, outside, everywhere you can look trees, students, right? So about the trees, this poem is written by this poet, students, Shirley Bohr. This is the poet of this, you can say, poet, students, of this poem, students. Okay, so what is, before starting this poem, students, we are going to look what is mentioned here, that we will see. Look, take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees. You have to take a few minutes to talk about each other, about the trees that you know or have heard of. If you heard or if you know, you should take a few minutes. Mention the things trees gives us. So you are going to mention the trees which gives us, then read this poem about trees. So you should know here, before reading this poem, what some of the symptoms, some of the ideas about the what a trees, and then start the poem of this here, which is given on this page, students. So trees are for birds. Trees are for what? Birds. Trees are for children. Yes, children are playing with the one, climbing, playing or below the what, shade of the trees, tree. Okay, trees are to make tree houses. We are making a tree houses even. Trees are to swings. We are playing swings below the tree with, by tying a what, a rope. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Even wind are also blowing. Blowing means just flowing. Blow, flowing. Okay. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Which game are you students playing near to the tree? Yes, hide and seek. One of the students will hide. Some children will hide, and you will what? Seek. Seek means here, seek, find. Seek means what? Find. Trees are to have tea parties under. Yes, we are, no, we are what, arranging tea parties under the tree shade. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Kites, what, some, if you are playing flying kites, that also it will obstacle what, into the branches of trees, students. Okay, trees are to make cool shade in summer. Yes, we are getting a cool shade under the tree. In which season, students? Summer season. Which season? Summer season. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Yes, in winter season there is no need to get a shade under the tree, students, right? This, everybody this fact know. That's why here written what, students? You should know, before reading what mentioned here, you should know a things. Mention the things which gives us the trees. It means before reading this poem, students, you should know general fact or general things or general what situations about the tree, students. Okay, trees are, see this line, trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are for what? Apple to grow. See, if you say apple tree, there you will see what, apples, and pears, this is the one kind of fruit, students, right? So trees are where, from which we can get fruits, right? Trees are to chop down and call. Chop means cutting sometime. Which tree? Timber tree. Timber is the name of the tree. It's a one kind of tree, students. Timber. Okay, Timber. Timber. Trees makes mother say. So trees, your mother what say? What a lovely picture to paint. If you are going to draw a picture of tree, your mother will say, what a lovely picture of the tree. Then trees makes father say. Father what will say? What a, what a lot of leaves to rake the what, this fall. So it will what, fall down the one kind of picture leaves. Okay, which you will collect. This fall of the leaves of the trees. So till here, students, you are going to write the hard words whatever you are getting through this poem. Tomorrow we'll see about this poem question answers. So today you read hard words and write in each word 6 times and read it 2 times, students.